Hello kay Sir Mark ng Batangas. Sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit, the ENC Glock 17 Gen 5 two-tone black slide tan frame. Okay, this is the 1102 EC 1102 LDE. Yan, ENC brand. Okay, comes with power up green gas number 14 and also comes with 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots in a package. Ayan. Gen 5 Glock 17 two-tone. Ayan, sa kabilang side. So, ano pa yung mga kasama sa box? Okay. Tignan natin. Owner's manual. ENC. Owner's manual. Two box straps. Silica gel. Okay, so yun po yung mga kasama sa package. Okay, Glock 17 Gen 5 by ENC. Yan. So, lagyan lang natin ng bala, gas, tapos testingin natin kung ilang FPS. Okay, so titingnan natin sir kung gaano kabilis yung kanyang projectile. Okay, so using the .20. Okay. So, this is the Glock 17 Gen 5. Lagyan lang natin siya ng gas. Upside down, inverted position, then press. Okay, 3 seconds lang po. And release. Okay, so ito po yung back strap, sir. So, pwede nyo po siyang ilagay dito sa may likuran ng grip. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo mas makapal yung grip, pwede nyo ilagay yung back strap, tapos meron siyang lock. Okay, para hindi siya mahuhulog. Okay. So, Glock 17 Gen 5 two-tone ENC 1102 LDE, unit ni Sir Mark ng Batangas. Airsoft gas blowback, airsoft pistol. Okay, testing. Okay, chronograph testing. Firing. 322.0. 324.0. 318.1. And 317.8. Oh, yun po yung kanyang actual feet per second or yung tinatawag nating FPS. Okay, yung kanyang projectile speed. Okay, yung bilis ng takbo ng bala. Okay, using the .20 and the number 14 na gas. Okay, so nag-open chamber na siya, release mo lang yung magazine, sir. Tapos hatakin mo lang tong nag-open slide na siya, hatakin mo lang tong slide. Okay, pag hinatak mo siya, bababa. Okay, make sure lang nang walang magazine. Okay, load pa tayo. Okay, testing lang po yun ng kanyang projectile speed. Ngayon, test naman natin yung accuracy within 2 meters. 2 to 3 meters accuracy test. Lagyan lang natin ng bala. So, ang pistol po, effective po siya within 3 to 5 meters. Pistol is a pistol. Okay. Airsoft pistol, okay? So, ibang usapan naman po yung sa real steel. Okay, so naglagay lang ako ng ilang bala to. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Okay, Glock 17 Gen 5 two-tone testing. Mamaya na natin ikasa. Testing Glock 17 Gen 5 ENC two-tone gas blowback airsoft pistol. Okay, accuracy test. 2 to 3 meters away from the target. Okay. Ubusin lang natin yung bala. Okay. Teka. Na tayong target. And open chamber. Open slide. Nag-open slide na po. Release nyo lang yung magazine. Tapos atake nyo lang to. Hammer down. Okay. So, Sir Mark ng Batangas, sir. Okay na po ang inyong unit. Glock 17 Gen 5 by ENC. Code number 1102LDE. Ayan. For packing na po and for shipping. So, kung sa mga interested po sa unit na to, this is Glock 17 Gen 5 Airsoft Pistol. Mag-message direct po kayo sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you and have a nice day.